section of this tutorial. If you guys meant to click on the explanation part, feel free to click up there and I'll link it in the description box below as well. But if you came for the music section, you came to the right spot. So now that I'm splitting my tutorials up into two, I felt like my music section, I can do it a little longer. So I'm gonna do a 75% speed, a 90% speed, and 100% speed. I feel like that will really help you guys. Smaller increments up to full speed. If you guys like it, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for future tutorials, and let's get into the music section.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky,
Hey, bad girl, no swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to Giangalliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm the he know. I your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. Gang still call, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't lose to LeBron.
all the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a seat, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. I love drinks, swalla la la. I love drinks, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drinks, swalla la la. Drinks, swalla la la.
Come on. Young money,
Swalla la la.
Jay-Z.
Freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. The ruler.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky,
Hey, yo, bad girl, no swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to Giangalliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm the he know. I your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. Gang still call, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't lose to LeBron.
all the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a seat, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. I love drinks, swalla la la. I love drinks, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drinks, swalla la la. Drinks, swalla la la.
Come on. Young money,
Swalla la la.
Jay-Z.
Freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Swalla la la. My freaky, freaky, yeah. The ruler.
Young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. Freaky, freaky, yeah.
girl, na swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm the he know. How your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. Gang still cold, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't lose the LeBron.
All the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
I love
Drink, swalla la la.
I love
Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Come on. Young Money,
Swalla la la.
Jay-Z.
freaky, yeah.
Swalla la la.
My freaky, yeah.
Swalla la la.
My freaky, yeah.
Swalla la la.
My freaky, yeah. Derulo.
Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial and dancing with me. My dance Instagram is felicia.cover, so if you guys ever post this video on Instagram, feel free to tag me. I want to see how you guys do, and I'll link all my other social media sites in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!